This is Njambiz Tutorials, where we learn digital marketing, branding, and business tips and tricks. Subscribe for videos every week. Today, I want to show you how to delete a LinkedIn ad account. Now, I had already tackled this before, and usually LinkedIn doesn't give you the option to delete a LinkedIn ad account directly by yourself. So I'll just go to my campaign manager. At the very top right button, you can see advertise. I'll click on that, and as you can see, I have two ad accounts I want to delete. One that's currently inactive, so I'll just go to the help button at the top right in my campaign manager, the question mark, and then I'll click create a support ticket. Or alternatively, you can click start a chat, live chat, because that's actually the easiest way to go about it. Now, I just wanted to show you this before we go to the chat. If you click on managing your users, ad accounts and campaigns, you'll see the option for delete a LinkedIn ad account here, information on that. And as you can see, they're saying deleting a LinkedIn ads account isn't currently supported. If you've created an ads account with a duplicate name, you can update the name in order to avoid confusion. Or to remove your personal information from an ads account, you contact support. Now, the problem with this is these links are just they're loop. They'll just take you back to square one, which is where you started, as you can see. So you can just go and do a live chat and try and get that sorted, because you have to contact them to be able to delete an ad account for you. That you cannot do this by yourself. They have to delete the ad account for you. So I'll strike up a chat and ask them that if they can delete the account. As you can see, I'm chatting with the help assistant, which is a bot, so that it can be able to direct me to the right person who can assist me. So we've gone through the bot, understanding what it is you need. So they're transferring me to an agent. Let me hope this will be helpful. So as you can see, in just a few minutes, I've told them I want to delete the ad account. I've given the ad ID through the live chat, and she's responded, done, I have removed it from your profile. So I'll go ahead and refresh to see that. And as you can see, it's gone. I only have just the one ad account I want to keep. And that's how you delete your ad accounts. You contact LinkedIn through the live chat and ask them to delete that, and they'll do it for you. But you cannot do it directly, which is unfortunate. But there you go. I hope that has been helpful. If it has helped you, if it was informative, please give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a very big thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions regarding LinkedIn marketing, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any social media platform, and let me know if there's any video you'd like to see on this channel. I do digital marketing, branding, and business videos on this channel, so subscribe if you haven't for more informative videos, for more tutorials on digital marketing. Subscribe, comment below with any questions, comment or feedback you have, and as always, give this video a big thumbs up and share it if you care. I'll see you in the next video.